Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have 25 to the power of 5 minus 25 is equals to what? So we just write this algebraic expression into the simplified form. But you remember one thing is that calculator is not allowed in this problem. This means that we need to show all of the working on this paper. So I hope so you like this method, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. And now we move towards the solution of this problem. So the very first step we are going to do is first we need to focus on the exponent of this term, and the exponent of 25 is 5, so we break it as in the form of 4 plus 1 and minus 25. And here we use the nice algebraic formula. You know about that. If we have a to the power of m plus n is equals to a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n. So according to this exponential rule, we break these two exponents as in this form. We have 25 to the power of 4 multiplied by 25 minus this is again our 25. And now you see that both of these two terms involve 25, so that we will be take common 25 from here, and we get the remaining values are 25 to the power of 4 minus 1. So here we need more simplifications, and now we need to find the value of 25 to the power of 4, so that we will be take here 25 to the power of 4 is equals to what? So first we need to find the value of 25 to the power of 4, and you very well know about that. The 25 to the power of 4 is it means that we multiply 25 with 25 4 times in this way. Here first we need to multiply this pair and this pair as well. So you very well know about that. 25 times of 25 is equals to, we break this 25 as 25 times of 20 plus 5. So here we multiply 25 on both of these two values, and we get here 25 multiplied by 20 plus 25 multiplied by 5. So we consider this is one digit number and this is our two digit number, and we have 0 times 25 becomes 0 and 2 times 25 becomes 50. And now in the same pattern we multiply 5 times 25 and we get 5 5s are 25. We write here 5 and carry 2, and 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 2 becomes here 12. So when we sum up both of these two values, we will get here 625. This means that 25 multiplied by 25 is equals to 625. And now we copy down this expression here, and we substitute 25 25, and this 25 times 25 equals to 625. And now we have the value of 25 to the power of 4 is equals to 625 multiplied by 625. So now we break this 625 as this is 625, and we break this value as 600 plus 20 plus 5. And now we multiply the 625 separately on each of these values, and we get here 625 multiplied by 600 plus 625 multiplied by 20 plus. So further we need to multiply 625 with 5, and we get here 625 multiplied by 5. So in the next step we multiply 625 with 600, and we get here, we consider this is one digit number and this is our three digit number. So we multiply 0 with this number and we get 0, and again 0 times this number we get 0, and 6 times this number is equals to 6 5s are 30. We write 0 and carry 3. 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 3 becomes 15. We write 5 and carry 1. 6 6 are 36. 36 plus 1 becomes here 37. So in the same pattern we multiply 20 with 625, and we get here this is again one digit number and this is two digit number. 0 times this number becomes 0, and 2 times this number equals to 2 5s are 10, we write 0 and carry 1, 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1 becomes 5, 2 6s are 12. And further we have we multiply 5 with 625. So 5 5s are 25, we write 5 and carry 2, 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 2 becomes 12, we write 2 and carry 1, 5 6 are 30, 30 plus 1 becomes here 31. So here in the next step we need to sum up all of these values. So we have 0 plus 0 plus 5 becomes 5, and this 0 plus 0 plus 2 becomes 2, and 0 plus 5 becomes 5, 5 plus 1 becomes 6, and 5 plus 2 becomes 7, 7 plus 3 becomes 10. So we write 0 and carry 1. So 7 plus 1 becomes 8, 8 plus 1 becomes 9, and here we get only 3. So we obtain the value of 25 to the power of 4 is equals to this one. And now we move backward and we substitute this value of 25 to the power of 4 in this equation. Okay, we substitute it here in the start of the problem. And now in the next step we have we need to copy down above expression, and we get 25 times of 25 to the power of 4 minus 1. And here we replace the value of 25 to the power of 4, and it is 390,625 and minus 1. And when we subtract this value we will get here the next term is when we subtract these values we get 390,624, and we multiply this term with 25, and we write this 25 as 20 plus 5. So here we multiply this term on both of these two values, and we get here, we consider this is one digit number and this is our two digit number, and 0 times this number becomes 0, and 2 times this number equals to 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 6 are 12, we write 2 and carry 1, 2 zeros are 0, 0 plus 1 becomes 1, 2 9s are 18, we write 8 and carry 1, 2 3s are 6, 6 plus 1 becomes here 7. And now in the same pattern we multiply 5 with this number, and we get here 5 4s are 20, we write 0 and carry 2, and 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 2 becomes 12, we write 2 and carry 1, 5 6 are 30, 30 plus 1 becomes 31, we write 1 and carry 3, 5 zeros are 0, 0 plus 3 becomes 3, 5 9s are 45, we write 5 and carry 4, 5 3s are 15, 15 plus 4 becomes here 19. And now in the final step we need to sum up all these values, and we get our final answer. We have 0 plus 0 becomes 0, 8 plus 2 becomes 10, we write 0 and carry 1, 4 plus 1 becomes 5, 5 plus 1 becomes 6, this is 2 plus 3 becomes 5, and 1 plus 5 becomes 6, and 8 plus 9 becomes 17, we write 7 and carry 1. So 5 plus 7 plus 1 becomes 8, 8 plus 1 becomes here 9. So this is the final simplified form of the given question, and this is our final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.